हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल मन से मैथ। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ टेंजेंट एंड इंटरसेक्टिंग कोड वाले चैप्टर में से उसकी बी एक्सरसाइज 18th चैप्टर। इट इज 18th चैप्टर इन द 10th स्टैंडर्ड मैथ्स बुक। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस बी एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। पहले इसकी इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे, बाद में इसके एक्सरसाइज के सम सॉल्व करेंगे। ओके, सी द इंट्रोडक्शन। Suppose this is a circle, the A, B and CD. These two chords are intersecting internally, means they are intersecting within the circle. This is the second circle in which the chord A, B and CD are intersecting externally. ठीक है, मीन्स जहां पे ये दोनों कोड्स मीट करती हैं दैट पॉइंट लाइज आउटसाइड द सर्कल। देन व्हाट वुड हैपन इन बोथ रिजल्ट्स? विल हैव पी ए इंटू पी बी, पी ए इंटू पी बी इज इक्वल टू पी सी इंटू पी डी। ठीक है, पी ए इंटू पी बी इज इक्वल टू पी सी इंटू पी डी। ओके, means product of their line segments are equal. Okay, products of their segments are equal. Okay, so this chord is having these two segments, okay, AP and BP, and this chord is having these two segments. So product of their segments are equal. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Similarly here, PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Okay, so this is the result. This is the case when the chords are intersecting internally, and here when the chords are intersecting externally. Okay, hope this is clear to you. See the next. Suppose this is a circle. Okay, so here this is a point of contact, this is a tangent to the circle. Okay, from this point of contact, suppose a chord is drawn AB. Okay, AB is a chord, okay, drawn from the point of contact of the tangent. So this chord is making, suppose this angle, suppose x angle with the tangent, a chord, okay, making an angle x with the tangent. So this x is made in this segment na, okay, this angle is made in this segment. So angle subtended by chord in the alternate segment or opposite segment, or you can say remaining segment. Okay, these two will be equal, this angle and this angle. Okay, suppose here is point P, means angle ABP is equal to angle ACB. ठीक है, कोड ने टेंजेंट के साथ जो एंगल बनाया है, ठीक है, जिस सेगमेंट में बनाया उसका ऑल्टरनेट सेगमेंट लेना है, उसका रिमेनिंग सेगमेंट लेना है। सेम कोड से रिमेनिंग सेगमेंट पे जो एंगल बना है ये दोनों एंगल्स सेम होने हैं। ओके, सपोज दिस इज अ सर्कल, दिस इज अ टेंजेंट टू द सर्कल, दिस इज अ कोड, ठीक है, ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट ऑफ द टेंजेंट. सपोज दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 130 डिग्री, ठीक है, AB. Suppose here is C. You need to find ACB. Okay. Suppose his angle ABP is given by 130 degree. Okay. You need to find angle ACB. Angle ACB will be same as of angle ABP. Means angle ACB is also 130 degree. Okay. सो टेंजेंट और लाइन सेगमेंट में, लाइन सेगमेंट वो जो पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट से ड्रॉ की गई है, ठीक है, उन दोनों में जो एंगल बनता है वो इक्वल टू होगा, ठीक है, उसी कोड ने रिमेनिंग सेगमेंट में जो एंगल बनाया है. ओके, होप दिस रिजल्ट इज क्लियर टू यू. सी द नेक्स्ट वन. Suppose this is a tangent. Okay, this is a line segment AB which is extended to meet the tangent at P. Suppose this T. This is A, B. Okay. One chord is given, one tangent is given. Chord is extended in such a way that it will meet the tangent line at P. Then what would happen? Tangent square will be equal to product of the segments of this chord. PA into PB. Okay, PT square is equal to PA into PB. So these are 4 new results to solve the sums of 18B. Okay, in between we can use the previous results which we have done to solve the sums of 18A. That will also help us to solve the sums of 18B, but some new results were these. Okay, so I'm going to start with the exercise now. In first sum, first part, circle is given and 2 chords are intersecting internally. A, B, C, D. These 2 chords are intersecting internally at the point P. What they have given? 3 into CD is equal to PD is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, means PD is equal to 9 centimeter and 3 times CD is also 9 centimeter. Okay, I can find the value of CD. CD will be equal to 9 upon 3 centimeter. That means 3 centimeter. Okay, what else is given? And AP is given by 4.5 centimeter. You need to find a value of BP. Okay, we know that when the chords are intersecting internally or externally in the both cases, okay, the segments of the product of the segments of the chords are equal. That means PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD. PB or BP one and same thing, means this we need to calculate. Okay, PA or AP one and same thing. Okay, this is given 4.5 into, okay, instead of PB I can write BP over there, same. Okay, and PC, CD is given, CD is given and PD is given. We can calculate PC from here. What will be equal to PC? It will be equal to CD minus PD. PC will be equal to CD is PC is equal to wait. PC we need. PC will be equal to PD CD minus PD. Have we written the values properly? CP is here. Yes, CP. By mistake, I have written wrong. CP is here. CP. Sorry, by mistake, I have written D there. Okay. CP. Then no need to do this kind of calculation. It is already given there. Okay. In the question, there was CP. By mistake, I have written there CD. Okay. PC is given by 3 into PD is 9. Okay, means BP is equal to 3 into 9 upon 4.5. Remove the decimal from here. 3 into 9 upon 45 into 10. 9 5 the 5 2 the means BP is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the answer. Hope this sum is clear to you. See the next one. First sum, second part I am going to solve. Okay, where the chords are intersecting externally. This is the circle. Okay, AB chord, chord A. Here is they have given A, B, C, D are intersecting at P. Okay, what else they have given? 5 into PA is equal to 3 into AB is equal to 30 centimeter. That means 5 into PA is equal to 30 centimeter. ठीक है, ये भी 30 सेंटीमीटर है और इसकी वैल्यू भी 30 सेंटीमीटर है. इनको इंडिविजुअली इक्वेट कर लेना है दोनों को. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो 30 सेंटीमीटर. PA is equal to 30 upon 5. PA is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, 30 by 3 centimeter means AB is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, these two lengths we have calculated, and PC they have given PC is equal to 4 centimeter, and CD we need to calculate. This value, this value, this value we have calculated. Okay, CD we need to calculate here. How can we calculate? We know that similarly as we have done in the case of internal bisection of the chords, internal intersection of the chords, similarly same result is for the external intersection of the chords, means product of their segments will be equal. Okay, so here also PA into PB will be equal to PC into PD. PA we have calculated as 6. Okay, PB we need to calculate. PB only this much of that. Okay, so whole is given, this full is. Okay, PB we need to calculate. What is given there? PA is 6 centimeter and AB is given. AB is 10 centimeter. Okay, first we will calculate PB. PB will be equal to PA plus AB. That means PA is 6 centimeter plus AB is 10 centimeter, means it is equal to 16 centimeter. PB, okay, PB is equal to 16 centimeter is equal to PC 4 centimeter. Write PD as it is. Okay, so it will be equal to 16 6 into 16 upon 4 is equal to PD, means PD is equal to 24 centimeter. PD this full. Okay, so PD can be written as PC. Okay, PD can be written as PC plus CD. PC plus CD is equal to 24 centimeter. So PC is given by 4, that means 4 centimeter plus D is equal to 24 centimeter. CD is equal to 24 centimeter minus 4 centimeter, means CD is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, होप दिस सम इज क्लियर टू यू। ये इक्वेशन दी थी आपको 5 इंटू पी ए इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू ए बी इज इक्वल टू 30। हमने इन दोनों को अलग अलग से इक्वेट कर लिया। 5 इंटू पी ए इज इक्वल टू 30, 3 इंटू ए बी इज इक्वल टू 30। ओके, सो इसको सॉल्व करके हमने पी ए की वैल्यू निकाल ली, इसको सॉल्व करके हमने ए बी की वैल्यू निकाली, पी सी गिवन है, सी डी निकालना है। ठीक है, और हमें पता है कि ये रिजल्ट होल्ड होगा। ठीक है, पी ए की वैल्यू 6 सेंटीमीटर, इनका प्रूफ थ्योरम्स में दे रखा है, हमें प्रूफ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जस्ट रिजल्ट को माइंड में रखना है और उसको यूज करना है सम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए। ओके, सो एंड पी बी, पी ए वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड 6, वी नीड पी बी, दिस फुल लेंथ वी नीड। ठीक है, पी बी विल बी इक्वल टू पी ए प्लस ए बी। PA is 6, AB is 10. The full will be 6 plus 10, 16. Use that value here. Is equal to PC. PC is given by 4 centimeter and PD as it is. Okay. Then we have done the calculation to find PD here. After finding PD, how can you write PD? We need to find a value of CD, not PD. I need the value of CD. Okay. So PD can be written as PC plus CD. PD I have written PC plus CD. So PC's value is given there. Use that value and calculate the value of CD. Very simple. Hope this sum is also clear to you. See the third part of this. Okay. Circle is given. Chord is extended to meet the tangent at P. A, B, here is T. Okay. PT is given by 12.5 centimeter. PA is given by 10 centimeter. And you need to find AB. Okay, all these types. ठीक है, रिजल्ट्स मैंने आपको उसमें इंट्रोडक्शन में क्लियर किए। दिस इज द थर्ड, ठीक है, टाइप ऑफ द रिजल्ट. First was when the chords are intersecting internally. Second was when the chords of the circle are intersecting externally. And then we have done the relationship between the tangent and the chord. Okay, so which is extended to meet the tangent at the point P that is lying outside the circle. Okay, so we know that what would be the result? Tangent length square will be equal to PT square is equal to product of the segments. Okay, it will be equal to PA into PB. Okay, you need to find a value of AB. This you will try yourself and must reply me what will be the value of AB. Okay, P is already given. Okay, so how you will this measure PB and then AB? Okay, do write in the comment box which properties, which results you have used to find a value of AB and what is the length of AB. Thanks for watching the video.